cut off. Cut off. Cut off.
Yeah, extra food.
I mean carbs. I
Yeah.
think, for a while. No, I mean.
Can I make a suggestion?
Yeah.
Don't try and modify your diet too much until after you've started exercise.
Yeah, because I know that because my body turns to really
yeah.
hungered.
You get hungry, you get cranky, yeah? You don't see any benefit.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. What are you doing?
What?
How many spoons? Who's that for?
Mine. Why? I like stronger.
Wow.
Intense. It's not too strong.
Oh my god. 3.5 spoons full? You're crazy.
Don't say that.
Crazy.
Doing live. Ratbo told me I'm value na. Even having Vegemite to, oh.
Vegemite, yeah.
Yee. Salty.
Yes.
So much saturated.
It is very high in salt, yes.
Timbanda.
Why Ratbo now? What's that? Day off? Your day off now?
No, I work from home.
What?
I worked this morning while you two both.
Sleeping.
I'm too
Butterscotch. We didn't know. The other one.
I don't know. The
Salted.
yeah, I always get salted butter.
A brioche.
Yeah.
Gusto mo tinapay, ma?
Hindi na.
Kape. Vegemite. B vitamins. Is
It is, yes.
this right?
Lots of B.
Lots of B vitamins. Eddie really likes it. Like Vegemite. Kids like Vegemite here.
Yeah.
Because they're used to that taste. Right.
Well, salty is introduced into their diet, I guess. It's like anything. Indian kids get chili introduced
Yeah.
from a young
I got
age.
chili introduced.
In Australia, we get Vegemite introduced.
Yeah. In Africa, chili. The kids eat really chili, no? Remember we had that visitor? They feed the kid really chili.
Yeah,
And
and
he
the
eats-
kid had never tasted fruit in his life. The mother thought it was normal not to give the kid any fruit. Remember that?
Feliz Navidad, Postero niya. Hi! Hola, mi amor. Good morning. So,
Ang pizza na ngayon?
for today, 17. It's already 17.
Wow.
Diba? 17?
Christmas is coming.
Christmas will be here very soon, before you blink.
Christmas won't be the same without you.
So,
Kanta tayo na. Christmas.
no. Ma, gusto mo tikman mo?
Ano ba yan?
Vegemite.
It's strong for her.
Dynamite? Ay, ayoko yan. Tinapon ko ngayon ganyan.
May
Try it.
mga-
Meron one. Yay. Yung basta ka na.
Salty.
Salty nga.
Mm. In the sink. Gone.
Diba niya? Kaya nga yung ganyan. Pag-amoy ko pa lang, tinapon ko. Mangit naman. Grabe na kiri-kiri.
Vegemite.
Water. You need water. Have you got water?
Yeah. Vegemite. Palaman nila yan dito.
Kaya nga.
Yummy, yeah?
Yung sa ano, in Serendra, there's one of that remain. Then I try. I thought not pop or bread or vegetable because Vegemite na I put in eggplant.
Ah.
Diba Vegemite? Ano yan?
Palaman yan, ma.
Kaya
Kaya
nga.
mo na yan dati doon. Palaman nila here. Gusto mo yogurt?
Duwain lang. Ayoko, maga. Tubig lang at saka kape. Tama naman.
Hindi, mamaya magutom ka.
Sabi mo ako, magbawas. Tapos ngayon, puro ka pa kain ng pakain. Kaya sabi ko nga, mag-ano na kayo, salad. Gawan mo na lang ako ng salad.
Oh, mamaya.
Fruits and salad lang muna ako.
Mm-mm.
Yeah, you should try this. I'll heat it up for you.
No, not now.
Yeah.
No. I don't want-
Breakfast.
No. Just gonna waste it. It depends on my mood. Yeah. So if you do it now, I'll be cranky.
What's that? The name of Lakme.
It depends on my mood.
Mm-hmm. I know this mood thing.
Mag-banana ka na lang. I'm bloated.
Banana, ma?
Bloated.
You want banana?
Yes. Banana na lang. Thank you.
Gonna do is skipping rope.
Mm-hmm.
Saan lang escaping na?
Wala pa, bibili pa si
David.
David.
Mommy tomorrow for
Sayang.
lunch.
Si David, ditingin kasi magaling siya mag...
Mayroon doon sa akin yung ano mo, escaping
Oo.
mo, dalawa.
Magaling siya mag... Tawag dyan. Dapat nag-video ka habang kinain yung banana. So, men, get some belly fatty. Please, Navidad. So, I gotta start workout na.
Kapag tayo ng saling,
Mm-hmm. So remove that butt again. No
Yes.
more excuses.
magpapakain ng saling.
Dati nagpe-flex-flex ko. Wow, my nails last night it's so hurt. Especially this. So they will grow new nails.
Mm-hmm.
Ang lalaki ng saging dito, pero walang lasa. At gaano pa kalaki. Ayan. Parang kinaguro.
Pinapara, ma?
Peanut butter na yan.
Ayan, patay na.
Mm.
One. Thank you. Stop.
Ayoko. I don't want.
Parang wala akong nakikita mo palabas dyan.
Saan? Meron yan.
Yung lang sa Merry Christmas, laging may tao.
Is that working?
No.
That fly? Nah.
Only one dead fly,
Okay.
I think.
Why you don't have the that paper fly?
Fly paper, not at Woolworths here. Maybe
Okay.
other Woolworths do, but
Maybe Coles.
we don't have
I'll
a
see.
Coles.
No, I'll see in Coles in Fairfield later. Yeah, I'll go there.
That's Woolworths. Oh, Coles.
No,
it is
that's
Coles, yeah.
Coles.
I can get it from the hardware.
Okay.
Where's the lid?
Ma, pwede ka mag-workout yung YouTube na ano, yung inaano ni David. Yun ka mag-workout ko. Pero pag di mo na kaya, dahan-dahan ka lang. Huwag mo masyadong i-push yung sarili mo sa workout.
Yeah, I'll show you.
Kape tayo, may amor. Hello. O, malapit na mag-23. Baka naman. Kape ko ngayon is matapang. Matapang pa sa matapang. Si Mother ay nakapag-TikTok na.
Kakain na ng banana.
Kumain na din ng banana. Sige na, may amor na ba na lahat? Kape muna kami nila, Mama. Bye-bye!